Alright, I'm going to be showing you guys the fireworks I'm going to be lighting off on the 4th. Go over a few of them here. It's a great little firework right there, very loud in Milk City. Little loud firework. Alpine Warhead, 3 of them. Great break right here, very bright. Not sure what this guy does, but it's a free firework. Solar explosions. Big firework. Got 2 of the wheels. Not quite sure what I'm going to be doing with those yet, but I'll be lighting them off. 6 Indiana Liberty fountains, red, white, and blue sparks. Should look really good together. I got 2 Roman candle barrage, 196 shots. Never seen it before either, but should look good. And 500 gram cakes. Got 1 bada bing, bada boom. Mega Mojo. Pyrotechnic Motherload. And Urban Warrior. That's going to be the start of the finale. And on to the finale here, I've got 3 left. I already lit 3 off of the Grucci canister shit. And just some festival balls and artillery kit. Got double up here from Keystone Fireworks. Pretty good breaks. This is all going to be pretty much the finale as well. I'm going to be fast fusing them with quick fuse from Power Direct. In this bad boy, which I made a week ago, no less than a week ago. A 30 shell, or a 32 rack. If you're breaking that in for the first time. 30 mortars, quick fused, as well as my tubes quick fused, which I'm going to show you now. These are the tubes, little guy, thunderstorm. 6 number 300s, Phantom preloaded tubes. Nice breaks. 3 Phantom number 500 tubes. And another 2 fireworks from Keystone are their 500 number tubes. And you can see the difference between Phantoms and Keystones number 500. I'll try to save those for the last, see if they actually are bigger than Phantoms. And I'll show you guys the video of the setup on the 4th, early in the day, and then the show later on.